Happy Monday. It is a rainy start to this Monday morning. Let's check on the koi, see how they're doing. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Alright, let's see what we got this morning. Good morning, guys. I see you coming over already. There's Glitter, Honey, Pumpkin, Pepper. Everybody's ready to eat. Yeah, like you guys haven't eaten. I can see. Good morning, guys. Hi, Flash. Hey, Big Fish. Hey, Blue. What's up, guys? It's some smaller food. Water temperature is 57 degrees. Wow, got warm yesterday in here, huh? Hey, Butter. Hi, Glitter. What's up, Pumpkin? Yeah, you guys are hungry today, huh? .57 degrees is much warmer than I thought it was going to be. But it was a warm day yesterday. How are we looking? Everyone's looking good today? Yeah. There comes Dot. Flash. Glitter, you coming back for another round of food? Let's see. You can eat a little bit more? Let's see if you can get that body vertical here. No, you're going to swim right past the food? Yeah, definitely slowing up your eating. That's okay. Alright, guys. Everything looks pretty good in here this morning. I'm going to be gone for most of the day. Plants look good. I actually had a friend of mine give me some tropical plants that I'm going to see if I can overwinter in the greenhouse. I'm going to set those up probably little later on today. I'm going to treat them first, make sure that his pond doesn't have any funny stuff in it that I'm going to bring over with the plants. I'm going to treat them with some PP, soak them in that a little bit, throw them in here, see how they do. And yeah, fish are doing well this morning. Hope you all are doing great. Have a wonderful, productive Monday. Thank you.